What's the meaning of certitude? Certitude. Certitude.
Certitude. Certitude. Certitude refers to a state of being completely convinced or certain about something. It is a firm and unwavering belief in the truth or correctness of a particular idea, concept, or statement. This feeling of conviction is often based on evidence, logic, or personal experience. Being absolutely certain about something can provide a sense of security and clarity, but it can also lead to closed-mindedness and a reluctance to consider alternative viewpoints or evidence. In essence, certitude is a state of absolute conviction that defines one's beliefs and actions.